I question my reality. I question just how crazy it must seem to write on blank pages. Writing seems more like a chore when you've been wounded. Bruises on my hands make the pen seem heavy, and my heart caught a virus which started infecting my mind. Therefore, I write slowly and cautiously. With every letter, a tear is shed, and with every word written in brutally honest anguish. The whiplash of life has caused my hands to be numb. My neck has caused me to be face down. I look down, I should look up, but I can't. But still I write. I wish I ran out of ink or of words to say. I wish I could run out of my head. I long to live outside of its marked blue blackness that was left by the punches of life. I can't stop writing. I can't stop thinking. My stained brain cannot wash the ink off its interior walls. It's permanent. Tattered all over my hypothalamus, my stories expose the smudge of the pen. The ink is rather weak. I write of stories only seasoned people can comprehend. You know, those people who have had so many accidents along the road of life. Those who live to tell the stories. The people who come out with more scars than they would like to tell. This is for us. My scribbles and ramblings are all for us survivors. No, conquerors of life's collateral damage. We are the casualties of life's lessons. You might say, why us? That's not fair. You don't deserve this. But I ask, if not us, then who? Who should get beaten for the sake of others? Who deserves the hit and run of passaging thieves and civilians all trying to face life? Don't pity us. We have our own glory in the scars. Anyways, I'm so used to the ink on the trees I collide with when I'm being hit. Nature is kind to me. It shields me from the dots that come my way. It's funny how nature always provides comfort for humans that live to break it down. But if not nature, then what, right? Ink and paper might be the reason someone else lives yet another day. God can use anything. Who is to say that the bruises and the numbness wouldn't be the reason for someone else's hope and restoration? So I empty the pen with all the words, hoping to fill someone else's life with its contents of hope. So I write of my realities every single time.